Hey guys, so I'm in Cape Town today and at Sea Point. I'm going to quickly review this apartment that I'm staying at. Oh, it's very comfortable. Yes, it's very comfortable. Arriving at the Verge ApartHotel by Total Stay in Sea Point, Cape Town. Absolutely love this central location, close to the beaches, the waterfront, and all major attractions in Cape Town. It's an apartment hotel building. It's quite nicely laid out. Some of the floors are rented out and some are people that live here. Let's go check out the room. There's a little kitchenette, the washing machine, kettle, coffee maker, oven, and a little lounge area. Let's check this view. A little balcony. A view of the mountain and the street that we've just come from. The bathroom. The little shower looks nice. And the room. It's quite spacious. I would say it's quite good value. Seems like a nice little place. And everything's quite neat. Little mats. There's also cupboards on the side. A fan, extra duvet, and a fridge. It's quite spacious. There's more cupboards here with a few more utensils. I suppose all you really need for a short stay. A microwave and some plates and saucers, bowls. What I don't see here is any sanitizer. What do you think? This is a really nice apartment. Verge Apart Hotels. So they're quite nice. There's certain floors that are limited to residents and others for renting out to guests. Quite a cool place, I would say. It's along the beach, so down the road, down this road, you can actually see the sea from here in the distance. So it's about maybe 300 meters down the road. There's the beach and the promenade, Sea Point Promenade. There's a lot of restaurants along the main street and the promenade as well. So yeah, I'm really happy with my pick. Hey guys, so I'm in Cape Town today and at Sea Point. I'm going to quickly review this apartment that I'm staying at. I booked it through bookings.com. I usually go through bookings.com and it works quite well for me. And they offer nice discounts as well as genius status level discounts. So let's quickly review the apartment based on what's been advertised. So I'm looking through bookings.com and it's called the Verge ApartHotel.
The building is part residential and part hotel where guests can stay. So the 5th floor where we are, which has an awesome view, has guests living in this part of the building. So let's check what the description says. It offers self-catering accommodation in the suburb of Sea Point. Tech, that's exactly what it is. It's very well equipped with kettle, stove, fridge, cooking utensils, appliances. There's even a washing machine. It's 5 minutes walk away from Sea Point Promenade, which is definitely so. We've just been down to the promenade. Free Wi-Fi offered. Yeah, definitely free Wi-Fi with a password that's given upon arrival. Free parking. There's free parking in the basement. All units are elegantly furnished. That's true. Breakfast is enjoyed at the Raphael Cafe. If you've booked breakfast, you can collect your voucher downstairs. There's bike hire available. We haven't tried it. It's 20 kilometers away from the airport. Let's check some of the other facilities. That's the coffee maker that's going. What's nearby? It's the pizza place, Mojo Market's quite nearby, and swimming pavilion in Sea Point. I'm just going through what are the facilities here if I can find them. The apartment costs about $60 per night. It's quite reasonable accommodation considering the area. It is a very, very popular area, Sea Point, for tourists. It's a great location indeed. I'm just trying to find the facilities. There we go, the facilities. Okay, so there's free parking, internet, pets are not allowed, shuttle service from the airport and surrounding areas, car hire, there's outdoor barbecue facilities. General, it says air conditioning. There's definitely no aircon here except there are fans that's in the unit. It's non-smoking. Family rooms are available, they say. Safety and security, fire extinguishers, smoke alarms, CCTV in the area. One thing I have noticed is, especially for COVID, there is no sanitizers here. I hope the rooms have been sanitized and defogged at every stay. But otherwise, this unit's been quite amazing. And let me show you the view from out here and what's in the unit. This is the morning view, and you can see the sea in the background there. A nice little area for sitting, having dinner, or just working if you want to. These floors are laminated, quite nice. Very cool indeed. I'm really loving it. I'm going to enjoy my stay here for a little while. So it's in Sea Point, Cape Town, one of the tourist hubs in Cape Town. A short walk from the apartment brings us to Mojo Market for lunch. I'm going wrong here. There are a variety of different cuisines in this market and a sit-down area. At Mojo Market, and just gonna walk around quickly and then decide on something to eat. This looks nice. Just looking for something to eat for lunch. It's late lunch. I hope there's something nice here. Mexico. There's a vegan wrap. Fillings. Some of the places are closed. Massage. Definitely want to come back for frozen yogurt.
quite a vibey, hip and happening place, especially in the evenings. It closes around 10 p.m. during lockdown. Last night was a lot busier than this. Having my Marcel's yogurt and just walking down the street in Sea Point. Was a fantastic stay at the Verge ApartHotel.